What's going on, family? Welcome to another episode of Pimpin' Ain't Easy Sunday morning markups. We're gonna get cracking right now. Go ahead, pull this up. Hope everyone's having a phenomenal Sunday. Shout out to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day to you. Here, happy Mother's Day to you. If you haven't already, make sure you go to pimpinainteasy.com. Join our free profit channel. It's absolutely free. Lock in with Sway Funded. Also, subscribe to our YouTube page. We are definitely on tour right now. Shout out to Pimpin' Ain't Easy and myself, Mr. P. We basically had this World of Wealth live call. We had a event in Africa. We are locked in Houston on the 30th. So if you guys are in Houston, make sure you go to the Pimpin' Ain't Easy chat and get access to that Houston event. We have a few more places we need to touch. So if you guys want to stay acclimated, make sure you lock in the chat. Also, if you haven't locked in with the best broker in the game, make sure you do so as well. And we have a lot of education in this boot camp. If you haven't seen this boot camp, you can go ahead, go to pimpinainteasy.com and get access to the recordings. It's pretty lit. A lot of education, a lot of information. Hopefully that can take you to your next destination. All right, let's get into it. Because you know it's Mother's Day. I gotta go be real attentive to mine, you know what I'm saying? Because I am appreciative and thankful. All right, so AUDCAD, and I will take questions for Leticia, if you have any questions, we will, answer some questions toward the end of the call. But I'm gonna run through this for everyone that's watching online. All right, so ACAD was a good play last week. We took the sale. Our first TP was this white line. We did hit that, so that was a good play. I want to see this continue to the downside, but I think it's gonna get bullish. I really do think that was a light break and retest. We got a breaker structure here, and we do have a higher high. It took out this last high. It broke this structure, came down, retested. So I really wanted it to sell. But this weekly hasn't closed. It hasn't broke this green structure here. So we can potentially look for sales, but the way this daily closed, right? It's just been playing in this area for about a week, right? So I'm curious to see if price doesn't close above this green area, which is like 0.9757 area, we are definitely looking for sales. If we get a break above on this weekly resistance level here, like if we get a close above here, then we'll start looking for buys. Till then, I definitely want to see it come back and fill in some of this imbalance in this area. So I'm looking for shorts, but I'm gonna wait on the confirmation on like the 4-hour or one of those good time frames. We did have a nice 4-hour bearish here. So that was a nice play. Right, another one here. We eventually hit our first take profit, but keep an eye on ACAD. It's in a nice resistance level. I think we could definitely take this, for about a good 20 to 50 pips sometime this week. Just keep an eye on it and see if it respects this resistance level. All right. These JPYs they've been really bullish. So we created some new highs on this particular pair, which is CAD JPY. Right, we was waiting on a monthly to close bearish. I think last month.
Still in it for a buy right now.
I think last month closed kind of. I wanted to see it close bearish, but we created this new high here. So what I would like to see is I really want to see price tank. The monthly was a nice pullback on this monthly, but what I'm looking at is this weekly. So we got a weekly bearish. This does look like a break and retest from this new structure, but that's so bearish that I want to see this eventually just kind of come back and retest this daily zone here. As you see, we got an alert set, and we're looking for the shorts back down to this zone, which is some good pips. So if we caught this and took it back down to this structure, that's a good 100, 200 pips. So it's a nice play. I'm looking for the same thing on EJ as well, and NZDJPY as well. As long as it doesn't take out this previous high, then we're going to look for shorts. All right, so it's in a nice zone here. I definitely want to see price respect this area and get some type of rejection. So that's what I'm looking for this week. I'm looking for the price to reject this area. Real curious to see how this opens up. I think we can get the play back down here, which will be a nice move on NZDJPY. Quick 100 pip play, that would be phenomenal. EG, I think it bought up on us last week. It was consolidating on EG. So we wanted to see it come up from this zone, but it's in a weekly, it's still in this weekly consolidation. And keep in mind, weekly consolidation is definitely an opportunity to capitalize on support and resistance. As you can see, we were selling off this zone. We caught that sell. We caught the buy back up. We caught the sell down. And now it's just been playing. I mean, this is a good bag, don't get me wrong. Inside this consolidation is some good pips. So, that's 60 pips there, went up 130 pips. So I would love to see it come back up to this zone here. So we can find a buy entry on EG. Just do a little bit more details on finding an entry. I think we can definitely take this back up top on Euro GBP. I want to see it be bullish for the rest of the week. We just got to find us an entry. We may get a little pullback. I would love to see a little pullback and then a continuation. So look for that this week as well. On EG, let me see. Oh, this is playing out beautifully. GN. I wonder if it's going to continue to sell its weekly close. Okay, so we do got a head and shoulders here. I would love to see the push up, but I think I would love to see it come down and touch this zone first, but it might just respect this level here. Price may just respect this level here, right? It may just respect this level and just get bullish. It may come back for this later, but I would love to see price shoot up here. I will wait on this to get in. I will wait on price to hit this zone, but I don't think it will. I think we'll probably get this push up first, maybe get a double top here, and then we probably get the push down. But I would just keep an eye on that. I'm just keeping an eye. We got alert set. As you see, we got alert set. Matter of fact, let me put one down here. So we can potentially take that play. Okay, cool. We got alert set there. US 30 was bullish last week. I'm looking for a big drop on this. This week, I'm looking for 30 to tank. It's in our zone. It came right in our zone here. This is our sell zone. I want to see the next weekly maybe push up a little bit more and then just drop. I think we have a daily zone up in here marked up right here, this white line. Yes, sir. Let me make sure our alert is lit. Hold on. Hold on, player. Hold on. Oh, that's a line. Go ahead and get one as far as our joints. All right, cool. Price comes up here. We looking for shorts. I always put it a little bit before I really want to enter because, you might be on your phone. You might be out and about. You might not be on the charts. So give me a little time to kind of catch it. I want to see this thing come all the way back down here. So this will be a good play this week. I think we can sell this all week, family. So be on the lookout for US 30 shorts. This is what I'm looking for. I want price to come touch this zone here. Boom. And then I want to see it do the drizzy. Do the drizzy. Do the young drizzy drop. All right. All right, and gold. What's this USD CAD? Oh, that's Mexico. Yeah, I'm still waiting on this to come down here. Get us in there for the buy. So I'm looking for right here, right here. Just to play. I'm waiting on that. Where is that at? Waiting on that right there. On this is one of our exotics that I like to trade, which is USD Mexico. Gold, we caught this sale last week. Oh my God, it was beautiful. A couple people caught the buy off this break. We called it on a live call. We ate good, excuse me. We ate good off gold last week. This was a Friday play here. It came right to our sales on, which was 23.77. And this it did, I mean, minimal pullback, maybe 15 pips. And then it dropped 180 plus pips, which is a good bag. And that's what I mean by setting our alert earlier. You know, our alert went off, gave us time to look at it, wait on price to hit our zone. We took our 50 pips and it was up. So if you are in the Pivot Ain't Easy chat, you definitely took action at this because we sent it out and we ate real good. We had about 200 plus pips on gold last week, which was phenomenal. So if you got access to the chat, you definitely know what's up. All right. That's pretty much it as far as Sunday morning markups. We do have a giveaway going on this week for a funded account. And we're going to give away a couple of dollars. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned in the chat for that. Today is Mother's Day, so shout out to all the mothers out there. But for my people on the call, did you guys have any questions?
Can you put the peso back up there?
Oh, you want to see the peso? Let's go. Ain't mad at the peso. What you thinking about the peso? What you thinking? Talk to them, Leticia. Oh, you taking a screenshot?
Yeah, I just wanted to see the chart.
Oh, bad. Yeah, that's what I want to see. Hopefully it pans out. Just
So we're
waiting on
looking
this
for
buy.
the buy, okay.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. This is the daily, so it may take a few days to get here, but we got our alert set. And when it does go off, I'll definitely send it out. But yeah, we waiting on like 16,480.
My biggest one this week's been 480.
Looking for the buy.
You really need to pick it.
Any more questions? Christian? You good, brother?
Yeah, I'm straight. Nothing. I'm in the DJ buy, waiting for it to. I've been in it since way back. I was in it Monday.
Are you swinging that thing, huh?
Oh yeah, big swing. If it breaks here, then I know something go up to. It can go up to about 199. It can go up
GJ?
to 199. But then I'm definitely in agreement with what you call it, gold selling. I was marking some up earlier. But for my GJ, I got it marked up.
Where you want to see it go?
Right now, I've got two positions where it can go. If it breaks through 195, 800, I've got it going to about
Oh yeah.
196, 800. And then if it
Oh
breaks
yeah.
that, then I got it going to 200.
I got
Because there's no
I got it marked
resistance
up.
on the 1 hour. There's no resistance for any pullback. You just got a big old huge imbalance on the 1 hour that's sitting right at the top of 197.
Got you.
But the reason why I say the 199.5 is because it retested some of that imbalance between 199.5 and 197. Yes, sir. No, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm waiting on it to come up here. This is my markup on GJ. So I agree with everything you're talking about. I want to see it come up to about 96,400. But like you say, it could potentially like I ain't mad at what you're saying. I agree, but it could do this. It could do one of these two things. You know what I'm saying? Like it could come up here first and tank, which is what I want to see. I want to see it just keep flagging up, or it could bounce off this zone here. But this is still the daily, so it'll take a minute. But I understand what you're saying. I like 96,400. That's what I'm waiting on. 96,400. So you in a good you got some good entries. Definitely make sure. I know you already secured your bag and all that, so got your stop loss and profit and all that. But yeah, I want to see all this imbalance get taken out of here. And it just closed, got a 1 hour bullish engulfing right here. So let's probably get a pullback. And you probably get that continuation that you want to see off of this trend here. Here you get the continuation. You know what I'm saying? Boom, come down, keep going, play this trend. Hopefully we get that, and then we'll get the break and then potential retest. That would be that would be nice if we can get that. You know, something like that. Because once it breaks this trend, we can get in on the retest off of that. So I would love to see this. Hopefully it respects this level, and then we can get in for that sell, and then we can pop another entry once it breaks the trend. But yeah, I ain't mad at that at all. Look out for GJ as well, family. Well, that's my time. Y'all be in the chats. We're gonna have some giveaways going on this week. I'll keep everyone posted. Christian, how your giveaway going on? How your challenge going? You won a challenge last week, didn't you? Christian?
Nah, I'm multitasking. Yeah, no. So I didn't mess up, but I kind of messed up. So I saw my consistency was like 150, but I got in that GJ buy at a 0.5, and I guess it took me up past 150, but I had a TP set. So basically, I haven't lost the trade, but I'm doing phenomenal.
Okay.
So it increased my consistency. That
Oh,
3%
got you.
is
So
at
now you got to make
380
more
now
money.
a day. So I have to make 6,100, but I'm not tripping because it's
But you don't
380
have
that I
to.
have to
You
make
don't
a
have to
trade.
make that. You don't have to make that every day. That's just your consistency level that you. So you don't have to consistently do that now, but you definitely want to stay somewhere in that range. Or
Yeah, I
if
was
you.
gonna do just like 200 on a 0.5 because I seem like if GJ breaks, I'm looking at GJ and gold for the week. So those
Mhm,
two can sell down, especially I think on the hour.
mhm.
Let me see. Gold, because I've been doing a whole lot better. I think it finally clicked for me. But on the 4 hour, there's an order block being formed. It's also retesting the daily order block on so on 4 hour it just created another OB on the 4 hours. So right now I'm looking for gold to drop down to 23.25. But I just said for me, because I know that's gonna take a while, I'm gonna just let it drop down little by little. But I just gotta make 380. But I said I'm gonna keep it simple and be around like that 300 mark each day
Yeah,
because I
yeah,
only gotta
yeah.
make
You don't want to go
61.
too
But
far over.
I know I'll get out of phase one midweek, and then I end up being in phase two, and I end up getting funded within the next week and a half, 2 weeks. But you know,
That's
I'm doing
what's up.
phenomenal on it.
That's what's up. That's what's up. I love to hear it. If you guys want more information about Sway Funded, just go to pimpinandeasy.com. It's a video, get you plugged in. It's pretty lit if you don't have an account. It's a nice platform, beautiful, beautiful platform. But yeah, that's my time, man. Let me go pour into my queens, man. Shout out to everyone who's on the call listening in, who's a mother. Happy Mother's Day to you. And we're gonna turn up. This week is gonna be a phenomenal week. We're gonna have a profitable week. If you guys have any questions in the chat, just send them out this week. Let me know. I'm gonna be super active this week, so we definitely gonna have like at least 4 live calls. Definitely send out the link. But other than that, appreciate you guys for chiming in. For everyone that's on YouTube, make sure you hit the like, subscribe button, all that cool stuff they be saying. And we'll catch you next time, family.